Okay, look, vacuum cleaners aren't exactly the stuff of dreams. Until now. This thing? This Samsung Bespoke AI Jet Ultra? It's not just cleaning your house. It's low-key, changing how cleaning feels. Sounds wild, I know. But stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll be looking at your current vacuum like it's a flip phone from 2005. Let's talk suction. No buildup needed. It hits 400 AW. That's not just strong. That's, this thing might pull the soul out of your carpet, strong. And yet, it's lightweight. You lift it with one hand like a feather, but it vacuums like it's been hitting the gym for years. Carpets, hardwood, pet hair, cookie crumbs, ancient dust from under the sofa, you name it, gone. Instantly. Now, cordless vacuums usually have one fatal flaw. They give up before you do. Not this one. You get up to 100 minutes of runtime. That's nearly 2 hours of, I'm on a roll, don't stop me now, energy. You could clean a mansion, a 2-bedroom, the stairs, the car, and still have juice left for that mystery corner behind the fridge. Here's where it gets spooky smart. The AI cleaning mode. 2.0 doesn't just guess what floor it's on, it knows. Hardwood? It slows down, saves battery, keeps it smooth. Carpet? Boom. Power kicks up, brush goes beast mode. It even adjusts the brush speed and suction automatically, so you don't have to touch a single button. It's like the vacuum's reading the room. Literally. Now this is my favorite part. The all-in-one clean station. Imagine finishing your cleaning session, docking your vacuum, and walking away. No dustbin dump. No cloud of dirt flying back in your face. It empties itself, charges itself, even tucks itself in for a nap. And it traps 99.999% of dust particles while doing it. That's cleaner air for your nose, lungs, and anyone with allergies. Unlike the gadgets that throw in a screen just to look fancy, this LCD panel actually helps. 5 suction levels, battery time left, any issues, boom, all on screen. And if something's wrong, it tells you exactly what and how to fix it. That's not smart, it's considerate. You didn't miss here earlier. This vacuum can show you if you're getting a phone call or a text mid-clean. It connects with smart things on your phone. So while you're vacuuming in peace, you won't miss anything important. Wild? Maybe. Useful? Honestly? Kinda yeah. Pet owners, this one's for you. The Anti-Tangle Pet Tool Plus? It picks up pet hair without turning into a tangled mess. It literally cuts the hair as it's collecting it. That's right, it grooms your couch. And don't forget the soft, active dual brush with LED lighting, which turns cleaning dark corners into something oddly satisfying. We're not just talking about clean floors, we're talking clean air too. The HEPA filtration system reduces the fine dust that usually sneaks back into your home. You're not just vacuuming, you're low-key purifying your air while you're at it. The dustbin and filters? Totally washable. You get to remove the odors, keep everything fresh, and stretch the life of your vacuum like a pro. If anything's off, Smart Diagnosis lets you know what's wrong and when to clean what. And with a 2-year battery warranty plus a 10-year motor warranty, you're covered long after the hype dies down. So here's the bottom line. This isn't your regular vacuum. This is Samsung saying, what if cleaning was actually fun? You get crazy power, crazy smarts, and a level of convenience that makes you question why you ever settled for less. Honestly, if vacuums had a VIP section, this one's sitting front row. Don't just clean. Level up your cleaning game.